noticed and I would have been worried about was the transitions. From one activity to another, or from one set of teachers to other. It was very seamless transition for children from one activity to another. And more importantly, because it was like, it was a session where I was there, but I could see how my child would be when I would not be here. I mean, specifically for first time parents like me who have their first child going to the school, I think we are still growing up as parents where we do not really believe at the moment that my child has grown up enough to be left alone in the world and let them out. I think the adult to children ratio was quite good there. And even when a child is going outside the class, someone or the other, whether it was the teacher from this class or the helper who are there, everybody is very conscious that no child at any moment is unattended, or they are hovering around somewhere without anybody's attention. So that was again a reassurance.
The teachers are so friendly that by the way they're interacting with them, they were enjoying and going inside the classrooms and doing all the activities very happily. It was really fun at learning, I would say. All the classrooms they were taking to each and every classroom for each and one after the other activity. Uh, all the activities are very well organized, and all the staff are really friendly and really caring, including the helping staff. The way they were taking care of the kids, each and every kid. My son was very happy enjoying.